start, we need these following components, that is one 555 IC and one CD4017 counter IC and one amplifier IC that's name is ULN2003, and we have one LED strip that's around 40 or 50 or something like that. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of our project, and we can see that here one 555 IC that is connected with two resistors and one variable resistor and one capacitor with value of 1 microfarad. And this is the first module, and we have another IC that's name is CD4017. It is a counter IC and it have one input, clock input, and it have we need 6 or 7 outputs. And the next IC is ULN2003. It is a amplifier IC, so if we input 7 input and we get that 7 output as amplified, around we give 9 volt, then we get that output as 9 volt. This is the simple circuit diagram we are using in this project, and it is looking very complex, but it's very simple in doing in a PCB. Okay, this is the circuit, and this is the regulator IC, and this is the IC 555, and this is the IC CD4017, and this one is the ULN2003. This is a sample LED that is rotating for this circuit. It's just a demo. This circuit is working or not, that's it. And we can see that there's a green LED blinking, that is the clocking signals from the 555 IC, and we can see a red light blinking, that is the single pulse from the CD4017 IC. This is the sample I made initially. That's I have implemented one regulator IC and base IC base with 8 pin that is already soldered. That's for a demo, and we are using these components for this project. Okay, this is the final product of soldering. This is I completed my soldering with IC bases. There is not soldering any ICs. I just soldering the base of that 3 ICs, and after completing this soldering, we can just plug it that ICs corresponding to the bases. And here we can see that 3 ICs, that is 555 and CD4017 and ULN2003. These are the 3 ICs we have to implement in this circuit. Because if we destroyed any IC, we can replace that without resoldering it. That is the use of the IC base. This is our next step. We have to create our LED beacon. Last year completed our circuit, and here we make the LED bulb. Here I am using an old PVC pipe, and in our circuit we have 7 output, and we are making that into 2, so we need 14 sections in PVC. Then I equally partition these 14 sections, and we need to stick that LEDs in these 14 pieces. Here we can see that LED strips are stick with the PVC, and we can see that it's a module of 3 LEDs in a group, and its voltage is 12 volt DC. Next step is we need to connect the wires. That's the next step. Before that, we need to make some holes in this PVC, and we need to pass the wires, and we can solder the wires. Okay, we now completed the connections between LED strips. We can say that opposite sides LED strips are connected with wires, and in our circuit we have 7 outputs, that is 7 individual clocking pulses are outputs from the circuit, and we have 14 LED strips in our bulb. So we are connecting the opposite sides LEDs, and we can now connect these 7 output to the circuit, and let's check the result. This is the final product. We can see that the circuits are working perfectly. This is the completed product. I stick with some cardboard sheet in the top and bottom side of the slide because moisture contents we can avoid it. I already made 2 of them, which is same configuration, and I changed any small difference that each LED bulb is rotating in opposite sides. That's the only difference, and other specifications are same. It's look like this, and it's very bright in the night time. That's all.